Implementing measures to keep schools and homes clean and safe is a challenge for administrations and parents as the children and staff commute through school buses. Like in our buildings, viral particles can remain suspended in the school buses for long periods and can be inhaled by passengers. Periodic sanitization of the buses is helpful, but does not address the real-time issue during transit. Jackson Control's air ionization offers the real-time solution necessary to protect passengers at the moment of exhale. Air ionization proves to reduce viruses, allergens, and odors by wiping the air clean. Just mount the ion block to the bus fan boxes, and the air that is distributed will have millions of nature's negatively charged ions, neutralizing all contaminants that may be harmful to passengers on board. When the ions come in contact with viruses and other contaminants, they instantly bond and remove hydrogen molecules. And without hydrogen, the contaminants have no source of energy, are rendered ineffective, and die. Ionization is safe, low maintenance, easy to install, energy efficient, and highly effective against pollutants such as particulate matter, bacteria, viruses, mold spores, odors, and other volatile organic compounds. Every school bus and building in the country needs this. Jackson Control, clean the air you breathe.